Geographical diversity of India, and here are 10 most important questions that are important from the periodic test of view. So right now tests are approaching. So let us do a quick revision with this important question answer. So first is, what are the main geographical features of India? And the answer is, India has great geographical diversity including the Himalayas, the Indo-Gangetic Plain, the Thar Desert in the west, the Deccan Plateau in the south, long coastal plain along the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, islands such as Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep. So these variety of landform, climate and ecosystem make India geographically diverse. Next is describe the Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik ranges. The Himalayas consist of three parallel ranges: Himadri, the highest range with snow-covered peak and glaciers. Many major rivers originate from its glaciers. Himachal, the middle range with forest, valley and famous hill station. It has a pleasant climate and support tourism. Shivalik, the outermost and lowest range. It is made of loose sediment and contain broad valleys called dunes such as the Dehradun. Each range has its own unique features and together they form the Himalayan mountain system. Third is, why is the terrain in Ladakh called moonland? The terrain in Ladakh is called moonland because its dry, barren, rocky and rugged landscape looks similar to the surface of the moon. The region has very little vegetation, unusual rock formation and dusty mountains, giving it a moon-like appearance. Hence, Ladakh is often referred to as moonland. Next question. How do festivals like Losar and Hemis reflect the culture of Ladakh and attract tourists? So festivals like Losar and Hemis festival reflect the rich culture and traditions of Ladakh. They showcase Buddhist custom, colorful traditional dresses, folk music, masked dances, and religious rituals. These festivals attract tourists because they provide a chance to experience Ladakh's unique heritage, local traditions, and vibrant celebration. Question number 5. Describe the feature of the Gangetic Plain. So, the Gangetic Plain is a large, flat, and fertile plain located in northern India. It is formed by the deposit of the Ganga River and its tributaries. The main features of the Gangetic Plain are: it has a fertile alluvial soil which is suitable for agriculture. It is a flat and level landform with many rivers and streams. It has a favorable climate and support dense population. Major crops like wheat, rice and sugarcane are grown here. It includes important regions of northern India and is one of the most productive agricultural areas of the country. Question number 6. How have people living in the Thar Desert adapted their way of life to the harsh condition? People living in the Thar Desert have adapted their lifestyle according to the hot and dry climate. They use available resources carefully and follow traditional practices that help them survive in the desert environment. What role do the Aravalli Range play in shaping the geography and climate of northwest India? It acts as a natural barrier and influences rainfall pattern in the region. The range helps control the spread of the Thar Desert and support forest, wildlife and water resources. It also affects local climate by reducing the impact of desert wind and providing a varied landscape. Question number 8. How is the peninsular plateau rich in mineral forest and fertile land, making it vital for India's economy? It has large deposits of minerals like coal, iron ore and manganese, which support industries and energy production. The plateau also has extensive forests that provide timber, medicinal plant and other forest resources. Some part of the plateau have fertile soil which support agriculture and the growth of crops. So due to these resources, the peninsular plateau play a major role in the economic development of India. Next question. Describe the feature of the Indian island. The Indian islands are known for their unique wildlife, beautiful beaches, coral reefs, and volcanic features. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands have rich forests, diverse plant and animals, and active volcanic areas. The Lakshadweep Islands are famous for their coral reefs and clear water. Several ancient tribes have lived on this island for thousands of years, preserving their unique culture and tradition. Question number 10. Why is Sundarban Delta important? Because it is the largest mangrove forest in the world and has a rich biodiversity. It provides a natural home for many animals, including the Bengal tiger. The mangrove forests protect coastal areas from cyclone, flood, and soil erosion. The delta also supports fishing, honey collection, and the livelihood of local people. It is an important natural and ecological region of India. Okay. So this is a revision for chapter number 1, that is Geographical Diversity of India, and these are 10 important questions for your periodic test, right? So this much for this video. Thank you so much for watching until the end.